Hey guys, this is the Car Tracker here. This video to show you how to install and remove the current 2014 to 2018 Maserati Ghibli radio. So the first step in the 2018 is to pry out the front Ghibli face with a pry tool and remove the two screws that you see highlighted in red. And at that point you are ready to pry out each corner of the screen and gently loosen it up so that way you can take it out so you don't break anything. And the next step from there, we're just gonna go ahead and pull out each wire carefully, because some of the wires may take some time to take out, so you just want to be gentle with that. And at that point you are ready to remove the 4 screws that attach the front bezel with the vent, and remove the vent after you remove it. And the really next step is to remove the screws that holds the lever, and then pull the lever out so you have ample amount of space so you can pull out the radio bays. From there you're just going to remove the screws on each side, the driver's and the passenger side, so that way you can loosen the radio to pull it out. And this is the radio. When it's done, you pull it out and disconnect every cable, and that's it. You're ready to install the new screen. Thank you very much. See you later.